Yo, what's going on, guys? Going back to a brand new video. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. If you're not new here, then welcome back. I know I missed the last upload Sunday. I'm sorry. We're currently packing because we're moving. It's gonna be the last time that I'll start a video in this area right here. But let's get into today's video. Today we're just gonna be painting the side skirts on the car because they're already looking kind of grayish. So I'm finna go buy the paint real quick, paint it, and y'all already know. Let's see what we get into. Maybe we'll go somewhere else. You guys see. Hold on, let me focus real quick. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but they're starting to look grayish. I'm gonna go to the store, buy some paint real quick. So yeah. Alright, we just got here to AutoZone. I'm recording on my phone because I don't want them fucking seeing my camera. So once I get out of here, I'm probably gonna record so y'all see what paint I use for it. Cause I used some for the front lip, like way back when I got the car for first, and it's one of those paint that can withstand onto I don't know how many of the heat or whatever. So I'm gonna use it for the side skirts now, and hopefully it looks good. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, we're here. I'm trying to see if I can see it because I don't see it nowhere. Oh, it's right here. That one. Was it that one? Or was it this one? Oh, sorry. That's the one that I use, guys. It works fucking amazing. You see up to 200 degrees. So, and it's for plastic, so let's get it. Alright guys, made it back home. I got the goods here, so I'm just gonna wait for my stepdad to wake up because it's still early. It's still like 8-9 in the morning. I'm gonna wait for him to wake up, move the car so I can put my car in there. Try to take the side skirts off because I tried one time and I wasn't able to. If not, I'm just gonna paint them like that, like I'll cover the doors and everything. So stay tuned, guys, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It'll be around here. I only have like 84 followers or something like that over there. I'm gonna start trying to posting daily on Instagram as well. So yeah guys, let's get it. Alright guys, first off we're gonna clean the side skirts real quick. I'm gonna have to improvise because I thought I had something that I can put on there like by the door and it won't get paint on it, so we don't got it. So let's see what we can do. And I'm finna clean it real quick off camera, and then I'm finna improvise and see what I can use to paint it. I mean, I already got the paint put to like cover the door, you know what I'm saying? So yeah guys, let's get it. So I wasn't able to find nothing to hold against the door. I ended up fucking cutting the pixel box. Let's see if it works. I'm finna use my bucket as a tripod, and let's see what we can do with this. Oh, plus Florida, it looks like it's gonna rain. Alright guys, I just did the first coat or whatever. I had two imperfections. I'm finna show it because I ain't perfect. Hold on, let me show what's it. I had that one on the back. Well, we're gonna come with this. Let's try. Alright, I did the first coat over here. I am gonna record the other side because I only have that on the other side real quick. Plus it was a little, what's it called? I did a few mess ups, so hey, let's get it. Alright guys, so far I'm done with it, with both of them. I know that they can be better. I just gotta take them out. It's just I didn't have the time just because I gotta put the car on the driveway and all that, and I work tomorrow, so I'm gonna show you guys the other side. So it looks a lot better than what it did. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably not still gonna be done because I'm probably gonna want to wash the car. So let's see. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys.